Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now just at the bottom right corner, you can see an icon with your profile picture on it. So just tap on that option. With that, you'll come across your main profile of your Instagram account. Now just at the top right corner, you can see 3 lines icon. Just tap on it. With that, you'll come across settings and activity page. Now just at the top of your screen, you can see the option of account center. Just tap on that option. Now once you are here, scroll down below and under account settings, you can see the option of personal details. Just tap on that option. Now once you are here, just at the bottom, you can see the option of account ownership and control. So you have to tap on that option. Now select the option of deactivation or deletion. Now you'll come across your other accounts as well associated with Meta. So as we are about to deactivate Instagram, just select the option of Instagram with your Instagram username and Instagram icon. Now once you are here, make sure that you choose the option of deactivate account and not delete account, as deactivate account is temporary, and if you tap on delete account, your Instagram account will permanently be deleted. However, you can log in to your Instagram account in order to reactivate your account again. Now after selecting this option, tap on continue. With that, you'll come across this page. Just enter your password and then simply tap on continue below. Now, once you come across this page, you'll see a variety of options for you. Now, you can choose on any of these options, but for instance, I'm going to tap on just need a break and then simply tap on the option of continue at the bottom. Now, once you come across this page, you have to confirm your account deactivation. You can also see the details, how you can simply log in and then reactivate your account again. Now, just tap on deactivate account. After this step, you may have to wait for some time in order for your account to be deactivated. Now your account is deactivated. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.